Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I'm joined by Craig Smith, publisher and founder of EuropaProperty.com. My name is Winston Norman. I'm the editor of EuropaProperty.com, and here are the headlines for today's show. Cat Invest is investing around 36 million euros in EuropaProperty Park extension in Romania. Romania has spent over 36 billion euros in retail last year, with supermarkets leading the way. Continental is expanding its production R&D centre in Sibiu, Romania, and CEE started the refurbishment of an office building in Prague.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Wow, Winston, thank you for those headlines and very exciting. 36 billion on retail. That is a lot of money. Anyway, great to hear about it. Anyway, we're weekend ready here this Friday afternoon. It looks like we're going to have great weather for the region. So hopefully that holds true over the weekend for you, wherever you're at. So a lot of things happening. We are now focusing on our events and magazines for October and November. We've got two magazines, one for EXPO Real, the investment guide, and one the month after for retail and MAPIC. So if you're going to EXPO Real or MAPIC, or you want to get some information in front of the attendees for either event, let us know. We want to get you in and we can send you some information on it. Having said that, we've also got two exciting events in October. First, our CRE Awards in Budapest on the 15th of October. And then straight after that, the 29th of October, we have the CEE Investment Awards. And if you haven't booked anything for that, do that soon. It is filling up fast. We just got a few more sponsors, investors coming on board. So great to see it. A lot of sponsors. Take a look at the websites for both. The CRE Awards is creawards.net in Hungary. And then for the investment awards, it's ceeinvestmentawards.com. So check those both out. We'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman in the news. So welcome back, Winston. Great to hear these exciting headlines about Romania. Tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, so it seems that retail is pretty strong in Romania, and French real estate group Cat Invest is investing 36 million euros in the extension of EuropaProperty Park, which has now reached over 100,000 square meters of retail space. And this is a mixed-use project. It's got 24,000 square meters of offices, an apartment hotel, and various other facilities on offer. And in the new extension, they've already attracted some international brands, and there's one big one which they've announced, which is Primark,
right?
Which will take a substantial amount of space in the new extension, which is around 4,500 square meters, and they're expected to open the first store there in 2026.
No, well, exciting. Primark keeps growing, as well. Not surprising.
It's a popular retail brand, and it is expanding throughout the region, and it's pretty good. Yeah,
they should do well in Romania as well, I think, especially this project.
Romanians love their retail, and staying in Romania in the retail market, and Cushman & Wakefield Equinox has announced that Romanians spent around 36 billion euros in large retail centres last year, and shopping centres took the majority of that amount, with 11% higher than compared to 2022. And these turnover increases are reported to be a result of through expansions and organic growth, which is sales on online and physical stores, and the expansions of retailers throughout the country. And according to Vlad Safiotu, head of research at Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, the retail market performed very well throughout last year, even though 2023 was the second consecutive year with double-digit inflation rate. Therefore, all the segments from our snapshot recorded sales increases compared with 2022, most of them above inflation.
Oh, great. Well, good news there. Romanians are big shoppers.
Yeah, so I would imagine those kind of figures will be attracting more international retailers to the country.
Yeah, you can see why Primark wants to come. They want to get a bit of that 36 billion, yeah?
For sure. staying in Romania, and manufacturer Continental is celebrating its 20th year in Sibiu this year. To mark the event, the company has announced the start of a new production module with a planned investment of over 45 million euros. Part of this investment is covered by state funds allocated to stimulate investment with a major impact on the Romanian economy. And this new module will have an area of 15,000 square meters, and it's scheduled to be completed in the spring of 2026.
So a bit of manufacturing as well. Yeah, good.
And finally for today, moving to the Czech Republic and in Prague, CEE has announced that Danube House, which is an office building in Riverside, Karling, anchored by international occupiers from tech, startup, legal and banking industries, is now undergoing a comprehensive refurbishment. And the new Danube House will offer 22,500 square meters of leasable area, which is mostly offices, and it's going to include a lot more sustainability designs, which include energy efficient, renewable heating, cooling sources, advanced waste recycling, and LED lighting, etc. And it's targeting in LEED Platinum certification, which is the highest ranking from LEED there.
Yeah, Platinum, not easy to get.
No, it's not, but they're also hoping to get this building will be 100% powered by renewable electricity. So that's going to give it a good mark, I would imagine.
Close, working on net zero, I guess, with renewable energy. Well, that's great. Yeah, Prague, a lot going on in Prague these days. I mean, I see we're getting more and more press releases from there. So I know when I'm talking to people, they say, it's too small, nothing's happening, but things are happening.
Things are happening, yeah, and older office stock needs to be refurbed and brought up to date to keep it competitive.
Yeah, if they want people to stay there. Well, great, Winston. Very exciting news for wrapping up this week, and thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. Enjoy the weekend, stay safe, and we will see you Monday morning at the Panettone Cafe, as we're going to be recording directly from that location on Monday. So see you then and enjoy the weekend. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.